Welcome back, session 24. We'll go over our goals and outline this session's objectives. Recap on this week. My goal, 20%. Why? Because every 3.5 years, my money doubles. And that allows me to hit all my dreams that I could ever think of. Fear of the new year sets in. Most depressing day is coming up shortly. It's known as Blue Monday. It falls on January 16th. Why is that? New Year's resolutions fail, cold weather, daylight is the shortest until January 20th. NFL comes to an end, all that stuff. So let's review last week. Last week, we had a sharp decrease to begin the bell, and then we had a little ramp up, almost hitting 380, went down almost to 373, bounced back, 375 to end the week. And we'll go over what happened with our stocks, our hot stocks that I have selected throughout the last 3 weeks. 1113 IIPR we watched, and that's up 26%. Fell back from 102 since the start of the year. Harley Davidson almost up 1%. Polaris up 0.19. AMN up almost 6%. Johnson Controls up almost 6. Universal Logistics just a tad over 7. WNS lost a couple percent. Alliant down 6%. InMode negative 0.19. Medfast negative 0.77. Albemarle down 7%. Sociedad negative 4. Dollar General up 8%. Crox negative 17, almost negative 17. Clearfield negative 4. Shutterstock negative almost 3. Proficient negative 6. And along with the auto parts, Franco Nevada down 2%. Concentrix up 1%. ZTO negative 0.25. Fox Factory up 2%. Since we recommended a couple days ago. So as we recommend them going forward, we'll go ahead and log the dates. I'll put in the dates probably early next week, so everything's up to date on this end. But as I went down this list, what I noted was Crocs down 17%. Why? Because everything looks good. Earnings are up, but for whatever reason, the momentum is down. We'll look at that through the big charts real quick. So as you can see, in November, the earning reported up, but for whatever reason, the momentum's down. And that's what I call the sweet spot. It rarely happens where a quality company reports solid earnings, but yet the market is negative about it. Usually that favors the investor. PE 7.9, so very attractive. And the REIT range 151, so close to the halfway point. So our timing, while not perfect, is awfully good. And we'll go back to our chart. So what happened? 1214, the stock was $109. It's been on a straight ramp down to 86. So what I see is a 20% opportunity. I looked on where people see dread and defeat, I see green. Crox stock forecast on stock analysis, their analysts over there have seen maybe a growth that might be 185, average 131, on the low end 101, which is just fine for me. Other than that, I like to look at the last 5 years, get the real tail of the tape. You know, in 2020, they had a dive bomb with the pandemic, like a lot of companies suffered in that time. Back down 2022, you could pick up the stock for $40. So my questions now are, do I like the stock here? Yes. But can it go down to 45? You know, I'd much rather pay $45. So that's a thing that we're going to keep our eyes on for the next week. And then along with that, maybe some other opportunities will reveal themselves as well. We'll get in FinViz probably Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, I'll go ahead and do a deep dive, make some phone calls, find out what these companies on our hot list are all about, and see what's going on there. Tomorrow, I will go ahead and find out like price targets and keep our eyes peeled and see if there's any other opportunities like Crocs that we might be taking advantage of. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Tune in tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye.